one of the most cherished holidays in American culture is Thanksgiving, and for good cause, too. Families and friends join together throughout this season to share food, levity, and love. Every year on the fourth Thursday in November, Americans celebrate Thanksgiving, a holiday that has its roots in early American history when the Pilgrims and Native Americans gathered to commemorate a bountiful harvest. The event has changed over time to become a day when people give thanks for their blessings, spend time with family and friends, and feast on traditional dishes. The turkey is among the most recognizable symbols of Thanksgiving. A Thanksgiving meal wouldn't be complete without a golden brown roasted turkey serving as the centerpiece. Whether it's brining the turkey all night or stuffing it with delectable flavor mixtures, many families have their own unique recipes on how to prepare the turkey. Some people even deep fry their turkeys to get a crispy skin and juicy, delicate meat inside. Moreover, don't overlook the side dishes, which include sweet potato pie, mashed potatoes, green bean casserole, stuffing, and cranberry sauce. Every family has its own distinctive spin on these traditional delicacies, which adds to the specialness and nostalgia of the holiday. The custom of expressing thanks is another feature of Thanksgiving that adds to its allure. Many families walk around the table before the meal and express what they are grateful for. Everyone is united in this lovely moment, which serves as a reminder of the blessings we frequently take for granted. Family members can be thankful for their relationships, jobs, health, and anything else that makes them happy. Giving back to the community is another significant aspect of Thanksgiving tradition in addition to expressing thankfulness. Many families give their time to the community's food banks or take part in fundraising activities to aid the less fortunate. For instance, the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in New York City annually attracts thousands of spectators from across the nation to celebrate the holiday season and promote numerous organizations. It's a joyful and entertaining event that benefits the neighborhood and uplifts everyone who attends. Finally, Thanksgiving culture also places a lot of emphasis on sports. On Thanksgiving Day, football is the most popular sport, with many families congregating in front of the TV to root for their preferred teams. Due to their annual home games, the Dallas Cowboys and Detroit Lions are two clubs that have come to represent Thanksgiving football. Even if you're not a big sports fan, spending Thanksgiving Day watching football with family and friends may be a great way to bond. In summary, Thanksgiving is much more than just a food-focused celebration. It's a time for giving thanks, serving the community, and spending quality time with close friends and family. Thanksgiving is a holiday that wonderfully captures the spirit of American culture, from the succulent turkey to the touching emotions shared around the table. I'm eager to learn more about this unique heritage and share it with people who might not be familiar with it because I'm a special holiday. Thanksgiving greetings.